Hi guys! Okay, so not a roll for artwork, but a do-it-yourself. I'm going to upgrade these coin purses. I'm going to use my cricut for this. So here I'm placing everything on the right places. And please don't forget to mirror your design. And push the iron on button and send it to your cricut machine. This will not be a high detailed version of a do-it-yourself video because I hate those myself. I don't have the patience for them. But if you want it, I can make it. But for now, they're pretty easy to follow. But these videos are more a bit of inspiration and for fun. Okay, in a few seconds I'm going to use my small heat press. But please check out what kind of temperature you need with your foils because they are all different. I didn't even know what kind of temperature mine needed, so I was just winging it with low to medium. And it's working out pretty great. Here I'm using parchment paper to just finish it off a bit more, just to know that it's 1000% melted into the fabric. And I'm using it on both sides, because I'm using a quote on both sides. But if you just want to do one side, that's of course perfectly fine. This video is just for fun, inspiration and stuff like that. And here you go, it's finished. It's a quick and easy project and you can use it for gifts, you can use it for yourself. You can sell it, whatever you want.